We all have been there, guys. We've been asked to do a presentation in front of the class, be it for educational purpose or just give a lecture to the students. And for that, you want a PPT, but you don't have a PPT or you don't have enough time for making the PPT. If that is the case, then watch this video till the very end, and by the end of this video, you'll know what to download, where to download, and how exactly to download your presentation. Hey guys, it's me Petson from the YouTube channel BeingSmart, and welcome to another video. On this channel, we post a lot of videos related to tech solutions and other videos that will boost your intelligence, and I highly recommend you to subscribe, guys. Without any further ado, let's jump into the solution.
Okay.
In this video, we will cover all your questions like how to approach downloading the PPT file, can I download the PPT from SlideShare, how to download the PPT that is editable, and all the other sources available where you can download your PPT. All these questions will be answered, guys. First thing first, what is your instinctive reflexive approach? Google, right? Yes, guys. Okay, for this demonstration purpose, I'll choose some topic related to medical, but this works for any topic, guys. Say, for example, I want a PPT on diabetes mellitus. I'll type diabetes mellitus in Google. At the end, you just need to add PPT. You'll get tons and tons of search result, guys, but you want to look for something that has PPT next to the web address. Like this one. So once you find PPT next to the web address, you're good to go, guys. You can download all these. All these PPT files are editable. You can download like 3 to 4 PPTs, review them, check all the facts, etc., and use them for your purpose as long as you give credit to them in the reference. So let me open all these PPTs from downloads and show it to you guys. So see, guys, so all these PPTs are editable. But what if you don't find PPT next to the web address? You can look for the PPTs in the SlideShare. SlideShare usually contains most of all the desired PPTs. But there are some problems with SlideShare, guys. That is, you need to have a subscription to download their content. But still, there are some ways how to download your presentation from SlideShare with some limitation, and I'll show you guys how to do that. Open a new tab and search for Downloader LA SlideShare or SlideShare Downloader followed by LA as that of Los Angeles. As you can see, the first link, that is downloader.la for SlideShare. Click on that link. Now copy the link from SlideShare's address bar. You copy that link, open downloader.la site. Now paste the link copied from SlideShare on downloader.la. Once the link is loaded, there will be download now option. You can click on that. The problem with this download is that, guys, it will be downloaded in PDF format. So if you just want to use this material for study purpose, it is okay, guys, since it is in PDF format. Or even if you want to just display it in PDF format, then you can use it. But however, remember, guys, you cannot edit this file. But if you want a PPT, then you can convert this PDF into PPT. But remember, guys, you cannot edit it. There are many sites online which provides free conversion from PDF to PPT. You can just type them on Google. There are many sites. I usually prefer ilovepdf.com. Just upload the file and click convert, and your file will be downloaded as PPT. And once converted, you can download it. But when you open it, you can only view them as PPT, but the limitation is you cannot edit them, guys. But guys, why go through all this, right? Is there any other alternative to download your PowerPoint, or is there any other site that is similar to SlideShare offering tons and tons of presentation which is downloadable and editable? Yes, guys, there is a way, and let me show you how. Say for this demonstration purpose, let me select a different topic, say global warming. Say I want a PPT on global warming, and let me search for it. So step 1, as you guys all know, is just type your topic in Google following with the word PPT. You have a lot of presentation with the PPT next to the web address, so you know that you can download this and edit this. If you found this, it is well and good, guys. But if you don't find your PPT, additionally add SlidePlayer to the search bar. So your topic following with PPT, following with SlidePlayer, and search for your slide on SlidePlayer. SlidePlayer.com is similar to that of SlideShare, and the good thing about this site is that they allow your presentation to be downloaded, and the downloaded PPTs are editable, guys. So wait for your presentation to load. Check if this presentation is okay, if you like its content, if this is what you're looking for. Like if you're not satisfied, you can check other presentations which will pop down in the suggestion. So once you select your presentation and if everything is okay, scroll down and search for download presentation. So it will be like a green button with a down arrow in a cloud. Click on that and a pop-up box will appear with the download option. A note to remember, guys, sometimes this download option will only appear after you click share buttons on some platforms. You just need to click on the share button but not actually share it. So like you can click it and immediately close the pop-up and the download option will appear, guys. And it will ask you to prove if you're not a robot, which you obviously are not are. And just solve this puzzle. In this case, select all the bridges. Now select all the squares with bicycle, etc. So once this is done, you'll need to wait for 59 seconds, guys. So this is the only drawback here. And I think it's worth waiting because you'll get a presentation which is downloadable and editable. So let me fast forward this waiting period. So once the time is done, the download will start automatically. If it don't start automatically, you can click here for the presentation to download. If it don't download even after clicking this blue button of here, right click and select copy link address and paste the link address in a new tab and ensure that the link is ending with .ppt and click enter. Your presentation should download, guys. So see here, the presentation is being downloaded. Let me open it and show it to you guys that it is editable. So you can change its content or use it as it is. It's up to you, guys. So another example, say I want to download a presentation on respiratory physiology. First step first, search for respiratory physiology PPT on Google. If you have the PPT next to the web address, you can just click on that and your presentation should download. It will be as simple as that, guys. But if you don't have, then you can type SlidePlayer at the end of your search. Open the link on SlidePlayer.com. Search for the presentation which you're satisfied with. Or if not, you can scroll down and look for another similar presentation. Then click on download. Prove that you're not a robot and wait for 60 seconds. And after 60 seconds, if it don't download automatically, you know what to do, right, guys? Right click on this here button, copy the link address and paste it onto a new tab and click enter. So your presentation should download. Or you can directly search your topics on SlidePlayer.com itself. Say for example, I want a PPT on quantum physics. I search for quantum physics. And as you can see, there are 30,854 results of quantum physics PPTs. You can access them and download them following all the simple steps I've already discussed. Similarly, you can also search for tons and tons of presentation on SlidePlayer.com, guys, and you can download all these presentations just following these steps. Once you download and use them, make sure that you give credit to the ones who actually prepared the slides, guys, at least in the reference. I hope this video helped you guys, and if it did, please do subscribe BeingSmart. On this channel we post a lot of contents and I'm sure that you'll like our content. And also in the comment section, do let me know if you were able to download the PPT. If not, I'll be more than happy to help you and assist you. Thank you, guys.